Yo, 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 yo. Am I live? Am I live? There we go. We live. We live. What up, Alex? Appreciate you stopping by, again, man. Let me make sure my screen ain't all jacked up right quick. I haven't checked anything in pre-market or anything yet. All right, I got the chat up. We send the link to like 2 people, and then I'm good to go. Pull up Weeble. What's Spies up. Let's pull up extended hours. I would have held that call yesterday, man, but I had to lock in them profits. I couldn't, because I know if I would have held it, it would have probably ended up going negative or something. But it was nice to look up yesterday and see that contract up like 140%. Let me check trading economics right quick. Make sure we're all good. No big news today. I don't see nothing that could really cause the markets to change or anything. Tomorrow we got PPI MOM at 8:30 a.m. and then FOMC minutes tomorrow at 2 p.m. That should be big. You're good, bro. I'm good, man. I got my coffee right here. I'm tired, but I mean, once I wake up, I'm straight. Once I wake up, I'm good. It was nice to start off the week green yesterday with a nice trade, 1 for 1. Uh, it was a great way to start. Jumping back on Mara. Let me do these pre-market levels right quick, and then we'll be ready to go. Do you trade at open pretty often, or sometimes? I try to wait like 10, 15 minutes. It's at 10:10. It's today 10:10. Okay, so that should be. Is that a candle? Yeah. This pre-market shit looks crazy, bro. What the hell's up with this? It's weird. Let me mark these right quick, and we'll be good to go. Alright, that should be good for SPY. Let me double check. That's pre-market high, right? Pre-market low. Okay, that's that. Let's get an AMD. Pre-market high, pre-market low. We got about 3 minutes till open. Might take some AMD today if we see a good setup on that. Not right at open unless it's a setup I like, right? A while ago, I would be impatient at the open. I would see something, a couple green candles or something, and just wasn't using my indicators and everything the way I should be, and waiting for a good setup, and that would screw me up. We got SPY done, AMD. Let's get Qs. Looks like Qs. The pre-market is similar to SPY. Okay. What up, Tay? Tay Evans. What's good, bro? I've been good. Is that you from Facebook that I was talking to the other day? And I think I mentioned some sports betting and trading. If not, if you're new here, uh, appreciate you coming by. Either way, I appreciate you. We're just setting up these levels on SPY, the S&P 500, AMD, QQQ. It's the main things we really trade. You only need a couple stocks to trade, honestly. These levels, if we see some candle action come up here, we can look to take puts, make money going down. And if we come down here, we can look to take calls. If we close below, we can look for puts. If we close above, look for calls. Appreciate you stopping by, man. Yesterday, I was only on for an hour. I'm usually on like a few hours every day, and me and Alex, we made some good money yesterday. We took one position. We stayed patient. We just held on to it, and she went. Market's open now. Let me just send this link. Okay. All right, we're watching Qs right now. This is pre-market high, pre-market low. Those levels really help us out. Um, if you could like it, Tay Evans, I appreciate it. Send a link out to like 1, 2 people. I'm just gonna be patient in the first few minutes. Let the market find its footing. You forgot to email me. Was that you that emailed me about the? Was that you talking about the mentor? Let me send that to Steve. That Packers Raiders game was garbage, man. They always put on some trash game in prime time. 7.50 Q. Yeah, we could see it, bro. I wonder if we still go up today. Let me look at spot right quick. Let me delete this GME. I don't even need that crap in my watch list. The stock is garbage. Uh, where the hell's my? Okay. Let's see what my 433s would be worth today. Cause I sold yesterday. Let's see what they're worth. They're worth 111 right now. How much did I sell for? I sold for 109, so that's cool. 1 QQQ 371 call at $13. Zero date expiration. I like that actually. That's not very risky, and you can take advantage of if we get a big move up today. Let me check that out with you. Are we on wrong spot? That was only $13, bro. $4 at the money. Wow. I'm gonna grab one of them too. Imagine if you grab like a cheap contract every day, way out the money on like SPY or Qs, you're gonna hit once in a while. Like Friday, if you hit last Friday, that would have paid for any time you ever did it. Um, wow, Q's strong, bro. Where's level that? Okay. Yeah, I'm the one talking about mentor. Okay, bro. Yeah, just email me. You should still have it. If not, I'll type it in the chat right quick. Uh, email is I was gaining a lot of subscribers up to now, and then now it's like been flat a couple days. So how I started is just watching beginner videos and stuff. How the hell is my phone charged into this? I need that. Just watching, like learning what is an option, what is a call, how to buy it, what's the strike price, all that stuff. And then just finding traders like myself, like that do live trading and stuff, and hanging out every day and just watching everything. Type in the chat. I just typed it in there. Do you know what options are? Like, do you know what option contracts are? And like, if you buy a call, you're betting on the stock to go up. If you buy a put, you're betting on it to go down. And those don't move like regular stock. Like every couple cents right here. If you're in a contract, you're gonna be making a few dollars, depending what strike price you're in. You know, if your strike is further away from the price, it's not gonna move as well. If it's closer to the price, then it's going to move very well, but that can hurt you too if it goes in the wrong direction. Excuse me. Grab two more QQQ. Okay, you know what options are. That's what's up, then. I'm going to look for one or two really nice trades today. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm just posted up right now, watching this. Remember yesterday, I think we had a nice initial pop at the open, and we came down, and SPY and Qs were down like $1 or $2 yesterday morning, and then we turned it around real quick, and then ended the day green a couple dollars. So, I used to do this, but I don't have anybody to explain. Yeah, man, you gotta like me just being on here live, which I'm on here 99% of the time, and then a couple people in chat like Alex, and there's a couple other people that stop by. Uh, I mean, you'll learn a lot. Like, it's a lot of knowledge to take in at once, man. So, you just gotta take your time with it. Be patient. I taught my brother pretty quickly. Like, he didn't even know what an option contract was. He didn't know you could make money on a stock going down. And he always works too, so he doesn't have time to sit here and chart. But he's hit some pretty good plays. So I taught him pretty quickly. Within like a couple weeks, he kind of got the hang of it. Obviously, not as in depth as I trade with these charts and everything like that, but 366.69. Look, Q's trying to hold this pre-market level. It would have been a good spot to take calls. Let's check SPY, see where that's at. So yesterday when Q's were at pre-market low, SPY was above pre-market high. So the risk to reward still looks better on Q's. Unless you're thinking, either way, SPY will take Q's with it if it goes, or vice versa, you know. And really, all you need today is like a laptop and a phone, bro, or something. You can watch charts on your phone too, but it's hard to really get the full picture of what is happening in the market that day. So like, I got this cheap old Chromebook that I got for my son that I use to watch the YouTube chat. And then I got my MacBook that I stream on and watch the charts on. There's different time frames on the charts. There's different indicators we use. We use volume. Like, there's so many tools you can use to help you. Webull is great for anyone like that's new to trading, that's trying to learn how to chart and do things like that. Webull's great. And as far as a broker, like Webull, you get a lot better fills on Webull when you sell or buy a contract. It's usually pretty instant. Robinhood can screw you out of some money if you don't get filled quickly. I probably lost a couple thousand by trading on Robinhood. I still use them for small account stuff, but so I like Robinhood because if you use Chime to deposit and withdraw, you get instant deposits, instant withdrawals, as long as that money is available and not used up. So that's what I really like Robinhood for. It's easy to get money in and out. You still here, Alex? You still got them QQQs? It would have been nice to grab more right here. Some maybe some closer strikes. We'll see what happens. See what AMD is doing. AMD up here. AMD right off pre-market low. That'd be a nice spot to buy calls. Let's see, man. Damn. You was using TradingView? Oh yeah. All right. You know what you're doing then probably. If you was on TradingView, and I mean, there's probably people that don't know what they're doing on there. But if you was on there charting and stuff like that, and you had a nice little setup, then yeah, bro. I like this AMD, man. Wonder if we could retest this and then go up. Or if we close above here, but then the risk to reward might not be there. Let's check Q's. Q's is always going to take tech with it because it is majority tech, I believe. The Q's is a NASDAQ, right? QQQ. Yeah, QQQ is NASDAQ top 100 companies. But I believe they're mostly tech or something like that. Oh, we're up on our contract, baby. What are we up? It's one little contract, but it's important to start the day green. We're up 23%. I appreciate you, Alex, for calling that out, bro. And here we just try to vibe together, make a little money together, have fun, talk life, you know, whatever's going on that day. And look at Q's. Look at that, bro. Now we're up 30%. Could have sized up on that and been done for the week on that one trade. But we took it light. That's beautiful. You do Forex? I don't do Forex, bro. Um, I opened a little account a while ago, but I just started the YouTube at the same time. I don't got time for that shit, and I'm not trying to learn it. I like options. If anything, I'd probably try to do futures because a lot of people really like that. But the forex shit, man, I don't. I just don't see any reason for me to start doing it. But I know for some people, I mean, that's their thing. That's their niche. Dude, look at Q's, bro. We're up 46%. And hot Atlanta V stocks called that one out. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Got 12 more, 8, 10 contracts. $12 call and more. And hot Atlanta stocks, he really knows more. That's one of the stocks he knows. Like I really know AMD. We all follow Q's and SPY. He knows more. It's good to just have two, three, four stocks that you really know like the back of your hand that you trade daily. Let me take a sip of this coffee right quick. You still in Cecil County, Tay? I live in Harford County now, out here, a little ways out from Baltimore. I moved down here with my fiance a couple years ago. Much nicer, man. I had to get out of Cecil County, bro. Too much, too much going on out there. Too much BS going on out there. We're still in the contract. We're only up 23% now. This is just a low risk, possibly high reward call right here. 367. Let me move my mouse. Yeah, that's where we're at right here. Damn. Yeah, yeah. I know you got a kid. I seen it on Facebook. I seen he plays football and stuff for Northeast. I wonder if Elkton's doing any good at football this year. They've been good past few years. Yeah, my two kids live out there too. I go up to get them every Friday, every weekend. I got them. I'm only 20 minutes from Northeast, so it's not a big deal. If not, I'll take the loss, even though we up. Don't want to sell for small gains. I need a home run. Right, I feel you on that. If I had like four or five of these contracts, I would have definitely took profit. But I like to just get the consistency momentum going at the beginning of the day, beginning of the week. Then base hits add up too, and then Fridays are important, bro. Like you don't want to end the week bad on a Friday. Say you lose a bunch of money on a Friday, ruins your whole weekend, and then like you lose all momentum, confidence, all that. Turn my volume up. Oh shoot, my bad, my bad. Let me see. I might have. I was probably talking way far away from the mic. All right, that should be good now. That should be good now. Yeah, man, I get the ranting and mumbling and shit. I know I do that once in a while. I try not to. sitting there mumbling and they be tripping, man. Uh, Stocks are on fire. Why'd someone say this stock is on fire? Let's check AMC in a second. Shit, I got coffee everywhere. AMC did a reverse stock split or whatever it was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure reverse stock split. This thing was at $5, $6. I look up one day and it's at $55 or whatever. And I'm wondering, I'm like, how the hell did this happen? And then I noticed they did the split and this thing just got shorted out of the sky. Like you could have grabbed long puts on them and just like not even looked at them and fucking banked. I tried to play puts a couple weeks ago. They didn't work out there. Mar looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Let me check AMD Qs. So I try to push the mic away once in a while because I don't want like y'all to have to hear me breathing and stuff like that. So I just gotta be mindful of it. Let's check my other chart right quick, and then I am gonna take a quick sig break, probably for like 4 minutes in a second, and then I'll be ready to go. The market will be settled down, hopefully. All right, RSI on QQQ on the daily, 53. Always did Forex. How'd that work out for you? You like that? You like Forex? So you've been trading for a minute then. I didn't know you did like any trading at all. Yeah, I saw you talking about it had to hold 367. Did you get out of yours? Yeah, bro, you gotta have the passion for it. Like I try to put friends on the trading and stuff, but I think at the end of the day, like I don't even want to waste my time if they don't really love it, which they don't know if they love it or not until they start. But you don't want to force that stuff on someone and they don't even care about it. Like you gotta love this stuff. I still got my Q call. Still holding. Look, I'm gonna be right back in about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, real quick. And then I ain't gonna be leaving for a while. So I'm gonna leave Q's up. See if we can get above pre-market high or if we reject again right here. There's some selling already. I'll be right back in about 4 minutes. All right, we back. We back. We back. I'm an Orioles fan, diehard Ravens fan, but Orioles suck right now. They're probably gonna get knocked out of the playoffs tonight. Yeah, I appreciate everyone watching, for real. Um, we're gonna see what Q and SPY does. See if we get above pre-market high or come back test pre-market low. We did take a Q call. Was up about I think like 50% or something like that. We're still up 15%. We're just holding it. It's low risk, high reward. It's a 371 call. So if we get a nice big move up today, this thing will run. 0 data expiration. Who's your football team, Tay? Good morning, Professor. I appreciate you stopping by, bro. You in class today, Professor? You got school today? I saw someone talking about Roblox chart that it has a lot of room to run. There's a big gap above. They're looking for a gap fill. We're gonna check that out in a second. Panthers. Damn, bro. Everyone was so high on CJ Stroud coming out of the draft. I liked, Bryce Young. I really liked CJ Stroud. I think the Texans are going to be a decent team here eventually. Mara calls up 50%. So, Hotlanta Stocks called out Mara. He trades that every other day. Um, so, anyone could have took that with him. And that's what I'm trying to create here with this channel. I'm trying to live trade daily, have people in the chat dropping call out so we can all help each other and make money together. Other people might see something I don't see, you know. Rise up, Bryce Young, too little. Yeah, so Hotlanta Stocks is a Falcons fan. I'm pretty sure you guys are in the same division, if I'm not mistaken. I like C.J. Stroud and Anthony Richardson. All right, calls back up 40% right here. We close above this pre-market high, man. Qs are gonna look good. Let's check the 5 minute, 10 minute. Look at that thing popping right there. It's going for it. Let me sit back, get comfortable. All right, we're back up 46%. We could have averaged down on that thing too. We're just gonna hold on to this bad boy. If we get up 100%, I'll take profit. But other than that, 53%. And Hotlanta did call that out, so I give him credit for this one. That's 53% return on your investment in a few minutes. Obviously, you always size accordingly. If you size up on the trade, be prepared to lose it all. Damn, bro, look at that, man. 70%. Do you have day one video that teaches? I don't, bro. I just made a new setup video last night. Look at that, dude. Look at Q's go. We are up 76% now. Your charts are not getting updated, bro. Shoot, my bad, my bad, my bad. I just refreshed it. It should be good now. Unless my screen is frozen on OBS. Hold on, it's OBS. Let me do this. Damn it. Remove. I'm putting it back on right now. What the hell is wrong with this? Shit, not that. My bad, my bad. putting the screen capture back on. Excuse the damn dog barking. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Let me mute up for 1 second. All right, I got the setup fixed. 1 second. I apologize, y'all. I appreciate you for letting me know. I don't need my face to be that big. Let me know if you guys think I should put my screen in a different corner or anything, or what's better for that. All right, we should be good. Let's leave that land. Q's popping above. Wow, 92% now. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Look at this thing go, man. Hell yeah. 100%. We're just gonna watch this now accordingly. Watch the price action, and we're not gonna lose no gains on this one. Look at that, bro. I wish I would have sized up on that. 107%. That's 2 days in a row with a 100% trade. This fucking dog upstairs. Hundred and 23%, bro. 138%. Oh my god. Hey yo, let me screen capture this. Shit. Save. Downloads. Look at that, bro. 146%. Alright, I'm gonna take profit on this bad boy in a second. She's still going too. Look at that. 153%. So, Tay Evans, when this stock gets closer to my strike price, I have 371. If this thing goes any further, the more and more money you make. Like, the closer it is to your strike, it moves a lot better because the contract is closer to being in the money. We're gonna take that right there. I'm gonna take that 150% trade. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. I appreciate you, Professor, for letting me know about that damn screen. Stop loss, bro. Put that stop. I took it, bro. I took it. Let me see SPY now. 434. My contract from yesterday. I had 433 calls yesterday. 1 day to expiration. I sold for about 110. Let's see what they're worth. That was a. I gotta lock in 100% trades, bro. There's been so many times where I've let those trades go red, and I can't do that. Wow. The 433 call is up 60% today. So that'd be like a 220% trade by now. Damn, son. AMD is rolling. Look, on the daily, I like this falling wedge on AMD. I know it's about to go. This thing's about to get up to like 130. This is what we love right here. This is why we do it. Let's check Mara. Where's Mara? Where's Mara? There you go. Look at Roblox real quick. Is he talking about a gap? That's gap fill right here on Roblox. So someone was saying Roblox calls look for a gap fill up to $37. That's interesting. I don't trade Roblox like that, but that could be a play. I would want the setup to be better. I want there to be more things lined up. Let's get back to Q's. Hell yeah, bro. You're on it. This market has so much opportunity right now, man. You can catch SPY going up for $3 and then ride it right back down for another $3 each way, almost daily. So you can catch 100, 200% trades on calls and puts in the same day, most of these days. Now, when we sit here and chop back and forth like this, if we did this all day, then that would be garbage. But we're not doing that right now. Let me paste. It's so much work, man. I gotta post a TikTok and then put that on some things. And Webull has like its own like Twitter on the app that you can post and things. So I've been doing that. Shit. Uh, I'm gonna make a quick TikTok, post it to IG. I'm just gonna sit here and leave the charts up and watch. I'm just gonna be quiet for a second while I do this, probably. Let me pull the mic closer, make sure I'm not mumbling so y'all can hear. Just making this quick reel. Um, Shit. I should have took that play on my Weeble account. All right, let me post that to TikTok. It's a lot of work trying to get these socials going, but it pays off. Let's put a good tune with it. What's a good song for a reel? I don't know. Shit. I'm looking for a song. I'm almost done, guys. We're gonna be here another couple hours, probably till about noon. All right, we're gonna throw that tune on there. About to post this, and I'm ready to go. Catching bangers 2 days in a row. My man Hotlanta Stocks in here. He's dropping call outs left and right. We're all making money together. Alright, about to post this now. I'm watching the chart still. I'm not in anything, so. Shit. Alright, about to post that to IG, TikTok. Then I'm just dropping it in my buddy's Discord. Yo, y'all make sure you follow Hotlanta Stocks on Instagram. He uploads a lot of stuff with charts, call outs. I think we're on like a 7 day win streak. I did take one bad call like the other week when I knew there was data coming out, and my buddy said to look for calls, and I took it even though it was a small position. All right. I about got this done, and we're gonna look for something else here. What if we close and stay above here, and then we could go up further possibly? It's the 5 minute chart right there. Shit, I just moved this. Uh, Alright, about to post it to my YouTube reels, and then I'm all done. Delete that. You in any trade, bro? Nah, I'm not. We just took calls, and we had like 153% trade. We took QQQ calls somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. I'm gonna look for probably one or two more good trades. I haven't even sized up. These are small trades, but they're running like crazy, and they've been nice. Yesterday we had one as well. We took QQQ calls off the pre-market low. SPY was above pre-market high at the time. The risk to reward was just amazing. Um, I'm just posting something on my YouTube right quick, and then I'm all done. Just gotta post this reel, and then everything's done. All right, about to post it now. So much trying to get all these socials going, man. Twitter, TikTok, IG. IG sucks. I can't get no traction on IG really. That is where I met Hotlanta stocks though, so I'm very thankful for that. We got 7 watching today, bro. That's amazing. I appreciate everybody. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, man. Our goal right now is to hit 100 subscribers. And this is exactly what I want the channel to be. Like, a few people in here dropping call outs, talking stocks, us all helping each other, making money, uh, just watching the charts and trading together. It's a lot better trading with other people than by yourself, especially like minded people. All right, let me drop this short on YouTube and then we're all good. I gotta be careful with the reels there because sometimes the music can be copyrighted. Live trading win streak 153% win. All right, this is about posted. Damn dog. I gotta mute up when that dog barks. That's not my dog, man. That's my people's dog. Oh my gosh. My dog's good. I got a German Shepherd. That dog is not good. He hit on QQQ this morning. Higher low setup like yesterday. Uh, Higher low setup yesterday. Yep, you're right. You're right. Because I think yesterday, after we took them calls, I said, all right, we're going to get a lower high and then go down. We did do that, but then I don't know where we closed, above which level or whatever, and then we really went up and started going again. So it could be similar to yesterday. I'm about done. I'm about to focus on the charts now. Let me upload that. Let me just like it because I got like 5 YouTube accounts. My first ever video I posted, bro, I got on my other YouTube account, and I just kept click and play, and X and out, and I had my girl do it. And I had like 3,000 views, and I was hyped, and then like 10 minutes later, YouTube deleted it, all the views, so they figured it out. So I think anytime I like with my other YouTube, it doesn't count it, like it doesn't let it add to the analytics. All right, let's see what Q's does. Lower high, possibly right here. Dude, watch them 371s be in the money today. I'm sure they will be. Um, all right, just like it. Where's my new short? Same. Yeah, I do got some other YouTubes there that it lets it work. Look at that. Q's making new high. I got to be careful with that stuff because YouTube could literally like because I tried to do that or something, they could like not let me hit the algorithm and whatnot. Is my new reel posted or what? Damn it. I thought I just posted it, bro. Alright, now I got it up. Okay. If y'all could like my new reel, I appreciate it. If not, it's no big deal. I had one reel that went like, so all my reels average like 100 views, whatever, 200, all that. I had one reel. I don't know what it was. I guess the keywords, hashtags, but that thing got like a couple thousand views and it had like 31 likes. And I don't even know how that happened. So it's all about trying to figure out the algorithm and just staying true to your content. So let me like this video a couple times and I'm good to go. I'm just gonna be patient, man, with Qs. You don't want to chase or anything. We're gonna check some other stocks too. Look at that thing, bro. It's crazy too. Everyone thought yesterday going into the market open that Israel war would bring everything down. Yeah, my buddy Moth trades. He's in So Thursday, he's like, hear me out on this. And he grabbed some 437 calls like 2 weeks out, right? So Friday, we move up $11 or so. And then yesterday, we move up like $4. And now today, we're up like $3. Bro, his calls are almost in the money. And that was Thursday when we were at like 424 or something like that. So that was a good trade. So shout out to him if he's in here. That was a fire trade, bro. I love swing trades, man. I gotta do a trade on my Weeble here soon so I can get that going. And I got 5 of them. Do you? Damn, bro. Dude, imagine if you grabbed like 369 calls or something and you had five of those. I always usually, unless I'm looking for a quick scalp and I'm sizing up, I'll grab like at the money. But I'm usually grabbing out the money. A lot of people grab it in the money, at the money, but I usually like to grab a couple dollars out the money. So like if I were to trade Qs again, I'd probably grab like a 370, depending on the price and all that liquidity. Rivian, we were looking at that yesterday. Let's see, gap right here. We were looking at this yesterday, saying, pretty sure we did. Hold on, I thought there was another candle down here that I could have sworn there was a candle right here. And we were looking at calls on Rivian for after earnings. So, no data. What the fuck is no data for? Shit. I'm pulling the charts back up. One sec. So we were looking at October. Where's the October 30th calls? Or October 27th? What the hell? So why is there not a 17-day out? That's weird, bro. Maybe I was already on them. I don't know. Whatever. But we were looking at Rivian calls for after earnings, possibly. AMD. Let's get back to this. Let's check Marvel right quick. So not last earnings, because I played Marvel last earnings. I play little lattes once in a while, way out the money on earnings. Haven't really hit one. Well, sometimes when they do get a good move in the direction, they're so far out the money they ain't worth a shit. Like Google, that happened to me on Google. Yeah, $30 calls for November. Was it November? But Amazon was one I missed last earnings, because I took Apple instead, like an idiot. Um, but Tay Evans, bro, I'm gonna make some beginner content soon. Um, it's just tough, man. I got a lot of stuff I want to do. So I want to do a Robinhood tutorial, how to buy an option on Robinhood. A Weeble, another Weeble thing. I want to do my indicate. Well, I did my indicators and setup last night, so that's done. I have some notes here. I can do some videos on patterns like head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders, bull flag, bear flag, falling wedge, gap up, gap down. I love head and shoulders, man. Those patterns are insane. But I got a lot of stuff I want to do, bro. I'm trying to drop one or two videos a week on top of live trading daily. So that's my plan. One or two videos a week on top of live trading daily. One thing I found out is a lot of new YouTubers, they don't post videos so often. Like they'll post like once a week and stuff. Well, luckily I have content to make. I can make every day. Like the market's open every day. I can stream every day. So, and then I have all these ideas for videos I want to do. My main thing is trying to help beginners, people like I was when I was first introduced to trading. And then, yeah. Yeah, Forex might have you a little screwed up in the head, bro. I don't know. I don't know how different it is from options. I really don't. Someone in the chat might know. Professor, I think Professor traded Forex for a while. So I don't know if that could kind of like uh, muddy up your thought process on like getting into options or anything. More, let's see this move. So you took calls off the open, right? 825 to 885. Wow. What contract were you on that Hotlanta? I'm gonna look at those contracts real quick. Shit. 8.5 calls weekly, 9 calls, 10.5 calls for this week. I'm about to look at this. That's a nice move there. Is Q's making a new high again, bro? I don't even want to look at what my contract's worth. It's probably not worth a crazy amount more, but wow, bro. Damn, son. We're almost at. We're about to be at 370 here in a little bit. Shit. QQQ 369. I know. I'm looking at that call we had. How much did we buy it for? 371 call. It's up 85% today. It's at $39. I bought mine for like $12, I think. Yeah, it's all good. I only would have made another $10 or $8 or something. But obviously, if this thing rips and gets in the money today, then I'll be like, yeah, I should have held. But and if I had multiple contracts on that, I would have taken at least half off or majority off and let one or two run. Four more at $10. Damn. So you average down on that. So is that 400% trade then? Because it's at $40. So bro just hit a 400% trade. So dollar chart right quick. Get a daily 55. Are Q's stronger than SPY? Let's see. 258, 289. Q's is a smaller stock. Says 30 cents behind, but it's basically stronger. It's up 69.69%. I wonder what's gonna happen the rest of the day. Let's see where SPY is. 435, bro. I gotta message Moth and tell him I know them shits in them. 437s are printing. Oh yeah, and that 433 call from yesterday would have been up crazy right now. Appreciate you, Professor, man. If you're rolling out, have a good day, bro. Even you stopping by for 5-10 minutes, it helps a lot. The 433 call from yesterday is up 115%. Damn. But yeah, man, have a good day. Appreciate you stopping by. Third at 367.55, actually at 369. That's what's up, man. That's fire. So we're all eating today. We're all making good money. I could have held my con from yesterday and doubled that again, but it's all good. You gotta lock in profits because especially if the market conditions change, they can change before you know it, and you're still trading like it was at a certain time that it's not anymore. My first week I live traded on here, I didn't lock in profits. I was holding longer than I should have. So that's why recently I've been locking them in. And I've only had one contract, so even that, when you have one con, you can let that thing run. If you lose it, you lose it. But I want to take that. AMD popping. Dude, AMD is going to be back at like 120, 130 before we know it. Should have took damn calls at the beginning of this week. One at 465. It's already at 108. Damn it. SPY and keys are looking to turn. I think we keep going, man. Look at this chart. Are you? Good stuff, bro. Yeah, take that, bro. Take that for sure. If we lose 368.90. Damn, another pop higher. Looks like Mullen is up 4% today. I'll grab some shares of that. New high of day. Bro's contracts just keep running. They keep running. He's got some good luck, man. I'm glad he's in here. It's like, nah, it's not luck. It's hard work, dedication, studying. Look at that, bro. Look at that shit. Let me check them damn Q calls again. 43. Okay. So that's probably like a 420% trade for him. 420%. If he averaged down at 10. Yeah, bro. You might get another nice pop, dude. Look at this. They're running. Qs are running, bro. Oh my god. Yo. Damn it. I mean, if I was in a lot of contracts, yeah, I'd feel bad about selling, but I can't feel bad about one contract. What's the difference going to be? Like 15 bucks? Now, if it's in the money and it goes to $100, yeah, I'll be salty as hell. Dude, this thing is running today. Look at that. And that means SPY's running. So, them 433s probably banking right now. 433 calls are worth 277 right now. I bought mine for like 40 bucks yesterday and I sold for $1.10. So that was about like 70 bucks on the contract. Today they are worth 275. That's another $175 I missed out on. And if you grabbed like 3 or 4 of them, you would have probably made like $1,000 on 3, 4 contracts. On 200 bucks, you probably would have made like 800 or something like that. All right, Professor. Have a great day, man. Appreciate you stopping by again, bro. Uh, you help out with the chat a lot, just dropping ideas and whatever's going on. So I appreciate that, man. Have a good day, bro. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Bro, that's 371's gonna be in the money, I bet you. I bet you. Because I sold it, I know it's gonna be in the money. Damn it. That thing's gonna run. Damn, we got 9 watching now? Yo, let me screenshot that. We got 9 watching the video. I appreciate that. If anyone new is here, if you could like and subscribe, that would help a lot. So anyone just joining us, we call calls, me and Hotlanta. down here, maybe like 20 minutes after open. I think he was in before me. He averaged down, I think, down here. I stayed in from like right around here or something. And that thing ran 153%. He's probably at about 400% now because he did average down, or about 450%. So that's 250% trades in 2 days that we caught yesterday. It was Q calls as well from pre-market low, and that was the only trade I took yesterday. This thing's running. This thing is running. Like them 371s are probably gonna be in the money. Look at that. Yeah. All right, bro. Damn, son. Good stuff, man. Yo's been killing it. He just started coming on here yesterday. I found him. We linked up. He's been killing it, man. Bro has been killing it. And then yesterday I took 433 calls, 1 day to expiration. I sold for $1.10 yesterday, and that was 150% trade. Today they are worth. Let me see. So the 371 call is up 500% for him today, and I took profit at 150%. The 433 call from yesterday that I took at market open is now worth $283. So that's about $240 gain on one contract. If you would have bought, say, 2 to 4 contracts, spent 100, $200 on them contracts, you probably made, that'd be about $1,000 that you made in 1 day. And that'd be like a 400%. That'd probably be like a 500% trade right there. So we've been doing good, and I think we're on like a 8 day win streak or something like that. We did take one L. It was like beginning of last week. I took spy call, going into data. It was stupid, and so that was the one loss we had that I recall. I'm always gonna be transparent when I lose. I want to always tell y'all because nobody's perfect, and you can't pretend to be perfect. But we've been doing great the past couple days, man. I really like AMD on this daily chart. Moth Trades pointed out to me a nice falling wedge. Boom. This thing's gonna go. I see it hitting 130. Look at that. It's gonna break out to here. I already know it's gonna. I do got a long call on AMD. I think about 3 weeks out. 120 call. So when I trade SPY and all these stocks, I have a couple different charts. I use this chart because it's clean. All my moving averages. I dropped a Weeble tutorial last night on how I set up all my moving averages and my indicators. It's straight to the point. So we got that out last night. I'm trying to drop a couple videos a week, different tutorials, how I set my things up, different patterns, everything related to trading. So look for those. Then I live trade daily about 9:15 to 1. I use this chart. Okay, this is my other chart I use. So I have the RSI right here. So let's check it. SPY is at 51 on the RSI. So above 70, that is overbought. Okay, so that's like an indicator to tell you if SPY needs to be sold off or bought up. But above 70, it's overbought. Below 30 is oversold. Okay, and then the MACD down here, when this blue line curls under the yellow, usually there's a lot of buying happening. You can look at all the charts. When that blue line touches and curls under, you see all this green. So these are two indicators I use on my other charts. I check them occasionally. And then I have, so right here is pre-market high and pre-market low. A lot of times we take calls or puts. So we'll take calls off pre-market low, and bank, or we'll take puts off pre-market high if it closes below pre-market high. But if we get a close above pre-market high, like a 5 minute close, then we can take calls. You know what I mean? Or if we get a close below pre-market low, we could take puts to see more downside. Then pre-market levels are key. They are amazing. They work like 90% of the time. You're gonna catch a lot of trades just off those levels and watching the tape, or watching the price action and volume. And then we got the tape going up here. I check that occasionally. Uh, it's nothing crazy. You can just see buy and sell orders in the order book. But we've been killing it, man. It's always great to start off the week strong, to start the day strong. If you trade a few times a day to get that first trade in, take profit, get your confidence going, your momentum going. Start off the week strong on a Monday, get your confidence going, and then Friday is important to end the week strong. Even if you're break even on a Friday, as long as you're not negative, that's a win. Fridays, I've had it happen to me multiple times. You have a really bad day on a Friday, bro, that's going to carry through the weekend. You're going to have bad energy, bad vibes. You're going to be thinking about it. So those are things. That's how a losing streak can start. You have a really bad Friday, carries over through the weekend, and then you keep that stuff up through the week. My buddy Hot Lana in here, he called out Mara as well. I don't know what percent that trade is right now, but he trades that daily. Anyone new in here, I told people like master like 3 or 4 stocks. Find 3 or 4 stocks that you know like the back of your hand that you love to trade and that you're good at. I like AMD. I like Hughes, SPY. Once in a while, IWM. Let's check the dollar. Dollar's falling. If dollar falls, that helps SPY go up. TLT. Let's see, we bottomed. So we bottomed at 84 so far. You catch a you catch a dollar move on TLT, them contracts move really nice. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is. If you catch this 85.50 to 86.43, a dollar move, contracts are probably up 80%. I don't know. We watch the VIX, the volatility index here and there. Amazon, Google. We got earnings coming up soon. I think there's some. Let me get an earning whispers. I'll check that real quick for y'all so y'all can see if there's any earnings happening this week. Um, I do I do earnings lottos once in a while, on big companies like Amazon, Apple. I missed out on Amazon last time. I took Apple. That was dumb. Marvel, things like that. So let's go to Google Chrome. This is also tradingeconomics.com. You go to tradingeconomics.com, go to your calendar, okay? And then hit countries, hit clear, go to United States or wherever you're at. You're going to get all the data and news that's coming out. So today, we don't really have anything too important. Anything really important will be highlighted in red. I also have a video going over this. PPI tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. before market opens. That will be important. If you click it, it tells you exactly what it is. You can look at the 5 year chart on it and all that. 2 p.m. tomorrow, FOMC minutes. I would not be in a position tomorrow during that unless you're taking lottos or calls or puts specifically for that. And then Thursday, core inflation rate and all that, CPI. So obviously, I don't know what all this stuff is, but you can click it, read about it, and kind of get a feeling on what it is. So I use that all the time. Let's go to Twitter. Please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Please like and subscribe. Let's get to earning whispers. So they post earnings and things like that. So earnings season is just starting. Today we have Pepsi and a couple others. Yo, gotta go. I'm gonna tell my people to like your videos. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you. You stopping by helps me get watch time, helps me get the video and live out to other people. It really helps a lot. There's not that many people in here anymore, but as many people. But I'm just showing you where I get earnings and stuff from. But I'll get back to the charts. But yeah, we got Verizon. We got every day. We got something going on here. So where's the big boys at? There's Apple. Apple and Amazon reported on the same day last time. Carvana was a banger last time. They had earnings. That thing went. Uh, let's see what else. Tesla, P&G. Okay, so about a week from today, we got Tesla. Where is Amazon, AMD? There's Verizon. I do have a long, long call on Verizon. It was very cheap. It's about 260-day expiration. All right, I'm gonna get the hell out of this. I guess AMD and all of them aren't reporting for another couple weeks, but that's where I get that stuff from. So I appreciate you, Tay. I appreciate you, Hotlanta, Professor, Steve, Kyle. All right, we're gonna sit back, watch for a minute, see what happens here. Take a sip of my coffee. I might smoke a cigarette in a few minutes. I try to only leave 2 times. If I'm streaming for 3 hours, I think 2 times ain't too bad. So it's like 10 minutes total that I'm gone. I don't want to be gone and people hop on my live. They see I'm not sitting here, and then it just looks dumb. What if we make a head and shoulders right here? If we consolidate here for a minute, come down here, make another shoulder, possibly, or this could be the shoulder. That's the head. This could be a shoulder. With head and shoulders, you want a clean neckline. That's very important. But you see them head and shoulders, man, they usually rip, or they usually a head and shoulders is meant to go down afterwards. So if a head and shoulders happens, the stock's gonna drop. If a reverse head and shoulders happens, the stock's gonna go up. Cap one QQQ 371. Yeah, that's worth keeping, bro. You had a bunch of contracts. You made a bunch of good money. It's worth that to leave one there. And if we see more upside, another dollar or two, then you still make more money. So that's great, man. That's amazing, bro. You had an amazing day, man. Oh, that's awesome. And I appreciate you being in here, dropping the call outs. You kind of put me on QQQ this morning. I mean, I was looking at it anyway, but I did grab the call because you said it. So you helped me out too. I think yesterday we said the call at the same time, which was funny. And it's good to have someone else, backing you up that's seeing the same thing you are. Hopefully, y'all can still hear me well. I need to find a good spot for my mic where I'm not too loud or I'm not breathing in the mic or stuff like that. I do gotta stop smoking soon because like I be getting out of breath when I sit here and talk too much, or if I run up the stairs or whatever. I used to be an athlete. I played football and stuff, but went down the wrong path for a little while. Now we're straight though. I'm engaged. I got 2 kids. I got my dog. Just live life, try to make money, have a good life. I believe in God, so I'm very religious. Let's see what Roblox is doing. Let's see if this thing tries to go for that gap fill, bro. If that does, that could be a humongous move, and I hope someone can prosper from that. I don't know when it's gonna happen. It might take another couple days to get up to like 30 to 50, and then make the move up. I wonder what if it goes for a gap fill, but it doesn't completely fill the gap, and then there's another candle and another gap because pre-market or after hours. That'd be interesting. Look for them W's, man. You see them W's happen sometimes. That those things can really extend. I don't think W is like an actual pattern that people say or anything, but I notice it on SPY a lot. You see it at the bottom of the day sometimes, a nice big W, and then it goes way up here. So I like to watch for tweezer bottoms, 5 minutes on the 5 minute chart, or tweezer top. It's when like two candles are directly next to each other, and so say SPY's going down, and then there's another candle right next to it, and then it starts going up. Why am I still on Roblox? What the fuck? Yo, SPY and Qs are gonna go again. I bet you. I bet you they do, bro. New position, looking for next play. While you're doing that, bro, I'm gonna run out, take my dog out right quick. I'll be like 5 minutes. I'm gonna mute up and I'll be right back, y'all. We back, we back, we back, we back, we back. And on puts, trying to catch some downside. I might not even take another trade today, bro. For real, for real. Unless I see something like A1. What kind of dog do you got, Hot Lana? Shit, let me turn that down. My bad. Man, I'm just ready. I love fall and winter, like fall with football and like Halloween and stuff, but like the holidays, I got my girl's birthday, her mom's birthday, my son's birthday, and Christmas, Thanksgiving, bro. It's so much. Like by the time the holidays are over, like I'm just so thankful to just get through another year. Like I love fall and winter, but like having all them birthdays and then Christmas and like damn, it's a lot of work. Yo, if any of y'all ever play Fortnite or Madden, we can always run a couple games. I got Madden 24 and Fortnite. Ain't got one. I was saying that's what you was doing. Oh, okay. That was funny because I thought you went to smoke a cig and walk the dog. That's hilarious. You play Madden at all, Hot Lena? QQQ 366 put tomorrow or 366 tomorrow. Actually, that might pay really well to grab a put maybe a day or two out. Um, where's Q's? That's actually a very good idea. We've moved up a lot in the past few days. Let's look at the daily. Like, look at that, bro. Um, so we filled this gap here. 360 to 364. So I didn't see anyone talking about that yesterday. Anyone who like isn't that familiar with gaps, like gaps are like kind of like magnets. Like there was no price action buyers or sellers in there because we gapped down or up. So 99% of the time, we're gonna go back and fill that gap. So that's why a lot of people talk about gap fills and filling the gap. I didn't say it was luck, bro. I said earlier it's hard work, dedication. You definitely been killing it. You only been in here 2 days and had over 100% trades each day. We got a nice little squad in here now. It's only gonna keep building, keep getting bigger. Um, I hope me liking and like doing all that stuff on my other YouTubes on and trying to help this channel hasn't like hurt me. I hope YouTube like didn't see that and is like trying to like not put me in the algorithm or something. I know obviously like trying to build things like sometimes you have good days and bad days. Like some weekends you might grow 10 subscribers, some weekends you might not grow none. My fiance, she's got a group on Facebook. She does skincare and things like that. She's got over like 45,000 people in there. If I wanted to, obviously I could ask her and get subscribers, but I don't want to do that. I want to build my channel genuinely and have people that are passionate about trading and things like that. It'd be nice to get 2, 3,000 people real quick and get monetized, but we're gonna do it the hard way. It's gonna pay off in the end. mentioned Head and Shoulder. Might get burnt on puts, but it's profit money, and I got stop loss set, but worth the risk for RSI cooldown. Yeah, exactly. I mean, look at the chart, bro. Even if we just yeah, like how much higher can we go? It's been 3 days and we've moved what? 366. Hold on, that's a 30-minute chart. My bad. It's almost a $16 move on the Qs in 3 days, bro. Like, are you kidding me? People gonna make money with you. They'll be back. I appreciate that, man. And you've helped out a lot. One of these days, send you a steak or something, buy you a steak or do something. Uh, through the app. And you only live a little ways away, so we'll definitely link up eventually. And I really appreciate having you, man. Like you've really helped us just like get all these viewers today and nailing these trades, someone to bounce ideas off of, and all that. I looked up day trading last night because I was making my title for this live today. There's a ton of people in other countries, man, that are they were live trading all night. I don't know what they were trading, like forex or whatever they were trading at night, futures. I don't know, but there's probably like 30 different channels that had 14, 15, 20,000 people in there, and it was insane. It'd be dope to get that big one day, but I'm not really worried about that. Like right now, just having 100 people or so and like 10 people in here daily, that'd be awesome. Let's check Rivian. Ooh, Rivian came back down. Let me mute up in case this dog barks. If y'all ever see me mute up, it's just because the dog's barking, and I'll be right back. This is Rivian chart right here. I'm just messing around with some stuff. Probably roll up out of here, maybe half hour. Some days I'll be on longer than others. Fucking Q's making new highs, bro. Are you kidding me? I'm a gambler though. Smart not entering play. Yeah, man. Like, so I used to like, bro. I couldn't go a day without trading, man. Like I always felt, yo, if I don't trade today, I could be missing out on something. There goes Q's, bro. 371 is gonna be in the money today. It is going to be in the money today. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Let's look and see how much that contract's worth now. $65, bro. That's a 600% trade. That people could have caught with us in a couple hours. Obviously, I took profit. He took profit a few minutes ago. But damn. Like, we're catching 600% trades on here, man. And we only started this channel a couple weeks ago. Well, we started it a couple months ago, but we just started really putting out content. But so for the longest time, I would I would feel like I was gonna miss something in the markets, and I would be trading like daily. Obviously now I'm trading daily because I live trade, but I would just force a lot of things and just doing way too much, man. Hope that wasn't a fake pump over 370. Could be. A lot of times too, always people gotta remember there's always computers and algorithms buying and selling, and they want to fake people out. Like they want to hit your stop loss just to go back up. They want to hit, um, they want to break above just to go back down. You know what I mean? Obviously, you know that, bro. I'm just talking to other people. But anyway, a few months ago, I slowed down on trading. I took like a week break and then I went on vacation, took a couple weeks off, and it really just refreshed me and gave me that hunger again to just make the most of when I am trading. But I haven't been forcing nothing, which is good. Some people aren't in the position. Some people got to pay bills and stuff like that, and they feel like they got to hit so many trades, they got to hit whatever, and that can really hurt you. But I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything in the markets nowadays. If I'm ever like, say when I'm done trading in an hour, I'd go take a nap, like, and SPY goes up or back down $4 or $5. Like, I'm not mad at the end of the day. For the longest time, man, them lunchtime reversals all summer, bro. Especially like Thursdays. Well, Thursdays would be trend days a lot of the time. But SPY would be up like it is today, $4 or $5, and then we just get a reversal right after lunchtime and go right back down. Keep in mind too, around lunchtime things do slow down a little bit. I think around like 1 o'clock, 12:45 is when a lot of like institutional traders and stuff get back to their desks, and you can see the volume and tape either before lunch and after lunch. You can see the tape really speed up, and then the last half hour of the day is insane on tape. Like just watching the order book and tape, it's just crazy. That would have been nice to grab puts right there. I could have sworn we're gonna see 371. I don't know. If we hold right here, we still might. It's crazy too. Like the exact contract we got is probably gonna be in the money. It's all right there. We're gonna catch more trades tomorrow, the next day, the day after that. The market has been beautiful the past couple of days. Like we can't complain about it. There are gonna be days where it's not as tradable, when it's more choppy, when it's more inconsistent. We gotta be aware of that too, and watch out for that. What time do you usually finish up trading, Hotlanta? Yep, and the green is huge, man. Ravens playing England this week, bro. If we lose, we're toast. Do you usually finish up around lunchtime, or do you trade through the evening or two or later? For a while, I actually liked trading around like 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon because you have all the prior price action to look at from the day, and it's very helpful because you kind of get an idea of what the market is doing that day. Let's check the dollar. Let's check more. Still looking good on that. If you can keep pushing up. Let's look at the daily on Mara. Where this thing bottom at? 716. Imagine grabbing Mara for $3, bro. And that's what I was talking about yesterday. Like, you can't let a stock price convince you that it's. Um, I mean, you can actually. That's how you get the idea of if you want to buy it or not. But the price doesn't mean a whole lot on certain stocks. Could be super overvalued. Could be super undervalued. But looks like you caught that bottom in there for right now. It's about almost a $2 move. Check Roblox, see if it's trying to make a move up. Sold more, re-enter tomorrow. That's what's up. Roblox. And this thing could be a nice play, actually. It really could. I don't trade Roblox. Let's see what the options are worth. Um, I have trouble reading this stuff on Webull because I'm not used to it. Let's see. Where's this price at right now? 31.08. All right, we're in calls. Says, say we want a $34 call for this Friday would be $20. I'm gonna grab a $35 call for Friday. Let's look at next week's contracts. Why does it go from 10-day to 38-day? We gotta fix this. I gotta change the strikes. Damn it. It's straight up screwing me on here. Why is there not a 17-day strike on here? Or a 24-day strike? Like, what is it? What did I do? Let me get to 6 strikes. Where the hell is the other strikes, bro? Or, I mean, not the strikes, the other expiration. I know I don't buy options on here, but it's nice to look at them and show you guys. We gotta get a weeklies. Okay, there we go. My bad, my bad. Okay, let's see what NoremTrades is talking about. AMC $10.5 calls. We'll check that out in a second. I don't like AMC. I hate that stock, honestly. But that could be a good play. I don't know. So, all right. So today is October 10th. So this is this week's strike prices. All right. Let me get back to more strikes. Let's get 20 strikes. Actually, we just need 10 strikes. All right, so $33.5 call this week is only $6. Wow, you shitting me? Let me see something. Let's look at next week's real quick. Let's put that back. Let's look at October 20th. 33.5 is $26. That's not bad, bro, at all. Let's go back to this one. $2.50 from the strike is only $5. I'm grabbing that. That thing could be 500%. Obviously, it's super cheap. Not a lot of risk. Probably not a super high reward, but there is a huge gap on the daily. I'm gonna go $33 call, 0.11, expiring this week. Roblox. Shit. Did I just cancel it? Alright, we got filled. Oh shit, I canceled it. Let me go grab another. Roblox. That thing could really fill that gap. $33 call. It's up 57% today. Alright, let's check AMC. My buddy NoremTrades mentioned let's see what he said. I still have a Delta airline call for earnings. Probably ain't gonna be anything there. Let's see what he said. AMC $10.5 call. Let me get back to my normal charts. Check Q's and SPY right quick. Hey, yeah. What? Bro, you see this on the 1 minute chart? The 371s are about to be in the money, bro. No more trades. See you tomorrow. You out of here? Damn it, bro. Are you kidding me? Bro, that hurts. We gotta hold on longer. If we have more than one con, we're holding longer next time. That's an 800% trade, bro. So that's like, it's only like $50 we left on the table, man. But this thing could still keep rolling in the afternoon. That's an 800% trade. Let's check the SPY because that would have been like a 500% trade. 433, 367. we're about to wrap up, guys. Another successful day. Um, we called out 371. Hotlanta called it out. I was on cues as well. An 800% trade that is right now. It is about to be in the money. I mean, come on, guys. Like, we were in this thing at early in the day, bro. 367. We were in here around like 366.90. He averaged down for .10 a con. Now they're worth like $90, $80. Come on now, man. And this is all for free, live trading, real in the moment, nothing fake here. Um, we're just trying to help people and catch great trades and learn and teach and all help each other. I learned something, you guys learned something. Like, man, what a great day. I have a little bit of FOMO here because I sold down here and we had a crazy extension higher, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This could start flagging here. Crazy extension higher. Um, it's insane. It's insane. So yesterday, I think I caught a 150% trade on Q calls as well on pre-market low. Did it run higher? Well, yeah, it did. I caught SPY actually yesterday. Um, I had a 433 call. Okay. And today, that call is in the money. I sold it for 150%. Now it's like 400%. So it's like 1,200% worth of gains right there, man. This could be bull flagging right here and still get another extension higher. So in 2 days and two trades, it's like 1,200% worth of gains if you held all the way through. Obviously, we like to lock in profit. We don't want to let our gains slip away from us. Like, if you turn a green trade negative, you're not just losing money, but that's a huge, like, instead of just losing $20, you lose all your gains and that $20. So, like, it's just bad. And it's not good for confidence, momentum, energy, morale. But I mean, about 1,200% worth of gains in 2 days. Shout out to Hotlanta with the call outs, man. He's been killing it. We all been killing it. We got a solid little team in here now. We got Hotlanta, Professor, my boy Tay stopped by, Steve, Kyle. They're not in the charts or as active, but they be stopping by too. Crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Um, that 433 call really hurt because that thing could have really gave me some extra money. But you gotta take profits because the market isn't always gonna be like this. You gotta practice for when you gotta you gotta execute, and you can't let a huge. Imagine if I let that 150% green trade turn to a negative 40% trade. I would feel terrible after that. Now, I feel a little bad that I didn't get the 500-600% worth of gains that I could have, but I'm happy that we still got gains and it was an over 100% trade. So that's what matters. Qs, this thing's, man, like, this market's crazy, bro. We're up like $16 since Thursday. 3 days. We're up like $15 in 3 days, bro. Are you kidding me? And we were talking about puts a few minutes ago that with FOMC, all this stuff coming out, this could be it. I mean, we're extended right now. We just made $15 in 3 days, so make what you want of it. I have a long call on AMD. I like this falling wedge on the daily. I think we could get up to 130. I have a call on Roblox, a $33 call expiring this week. There's a gap. I expect a gap fill, hopefully this week, in the next couple days. What else do we have? And then I do have a long call on Verizon. So that is green now for sure. It's like 260-day out. $42 call. They do have earnings soon as well. So SPY and Qs look like they could be flagging. But we're gonna wrap up, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for contributing to the chat. I appreciate you. We're gonna be live every day the rest of this week. Every day from now on. Once in a great while, like next Wednesday, I have a doctor appointment, but I still might get on like when I'm done that appointment, maybe around like 10:30 or something. So I appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe, share. Stop by my Twitter, NoremTrades. I'm gonna start with the call outs on there again. IG, NoremTrades, YouTube, NoremTrades, like, share, TikTok, NoremTrades. I'm busting my butt trying to get all these socials built up and put content out on each one, Um, so that's what we're trying to do here. So shout out to Hotlanta, he was killing it today. Shout out to Professor, he caught some too. Um, Shout out to my boy Caden at Unity Trading. I appreciate everyone. Be careful. Stay risk management. Practice risk management. And just have a great day, y'all. I appreciate you.